So hello everyone, and today we receive a call about a homeless kitten. I don't know if that's a homeless or stray kitten, but we'll pass the road here with the mother. But we just received a call. We try to come here to find the kitten. Hopefully we can find the kitten around here, because this is a big place, and the mother, that's so sad. For the man who called us, he told us that the mother was hit by a truck. So only the kittens is around here, but we are not sure we can find the kitten around here, because this is a big place. Let me show you. This is a big place, and they said maybe the kitten is run down a big place down here. So let's join with us, try to find kitten around here. Actually, we just come and we didn't hear any sound of the kittens, but hopefully we can hear the kitten, because for a long time the kitten didn't eat anything. Maybe she will meowing because of the food and hungry. Yeah, that's a truck. What I'm talking about, a big truck like that. The kitten, a mother cat. So let's try to find the kitten. Meow, meow. 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 There's nothing here. I can hear the sound of kittens now. Kitten is scared. You can see her, the furs. She stand up. He sees me. So let me try to make friend with the kitten first. We'll give the food for kitten. A second. Have the food for you here. More food here. Okay, get the food. So now let's try to give the kitten the food. He's still scared of me. No. Here. So I don't know how to catch it. The kitten right now. It's not very. It's not. Let me try to catch from behind the kitten. Okay, not too difficult. So you want to eat? No? It's a beautiful kitten, but he lost the mother. Want to eat something? No? Okay, so I will take you to our sensor right now. Wow, friendly kitten. So lucky. It's okay, let's go home with me.
Sorry.
Mà lẽ là mất thì cô 5 phút là con mới xong.
Nó ra em ấn rồi. Nhìn thấy em ấn.
Có, để em tắt. Thôi thì 5 phút là không tùy.
Kệ cho anh Thuận anh cắt.